Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, yesterday we have discussed about the questions. Okay, just I have given questions as well as some high level idea how to solve this particular questions which is asked in Infosys interview questions. So, for 3 to 4 years. Okay. So, first thing is just we have discussed about the questions. Today, I'm going to come up with the solution. First, let's try to understand the 10th question. So, one of the person has commented in the section. Okay, how can I solve this particular thing? First is very important thing is, okay, the question is we have two columns, first name and last name, and we wanted to get whose name starts with vowel and ending with vowels. So here you can see, right? First name. Okay. In this case, first name is Ismail and Sikara. Last name is Sikara. At the same time, Alexander and Kuhu. And third name is Ravindra Reddy and Bruce Ernst and Irene and Mikileni. Okay. Just consider it some name. Okay. Here, consider it. Okay. What is vowels? First, try to understand one by one. The solution will go here like this. Okay. What is vowels? Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, which means, okay, what is the question which they have asked? The question is first name starts with vowels, which means which starts with A or I. Okay, A or I, O, U, okay, or E. Okay, see, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. With these characters, if first name starts with, then we have to consider it. Second condition, here you need to understand two conditions. Okay, two conditions. First condition is first name should start with A, E, I, O, U. And the second thing is last name should start with last name should last name should end with vowels. Okay, vowels. Again, here also A, E, I, O, U. So very simple to do this, right? First, you can take two columns. Okay, and then what you can do? Simply what you can write it up? You can do substring. Okay, how you do that? Simply you can do the substring and then perform this action. So here I have created the table. Okay, let me show you. I have created the table with the data with multiple records. So here you can see 18 records which is available. 18 records which is available. Out of it, some of the records which is going to suffice this condition. Consider it. Okay, Ismail. Okay, it starts with I, and Sikara, it ends with A, which means this particular record. Line number 3, it should meet. And when it comes to second, okay, it never starts with any vowels, which means this record should be exist and should not be exist in the output. Here also, this starts with vowel, but it doesn't end with vowel. So first and second record we can ignore from the output. Third record should come. And when it comes to fourth record also, fourth record which starts with vowel, nothing but A, and end with O, which means it is going to be part of it. And fourth record, it starts with A, but it doesn't end with vowel. So here, sixth record, you can see here, it starts with vowel and it ends with vowel. So we can consider it. So first, we'll go with the how to approach this solution. So there are multiple ways to approach this solution. First is regular substring. Okay, sub-str function in Oracle. First, select star from. First condition is what? Select star from table. I'm going to copy this table, select star from table. Now, whenever you wanted to evaluate any condition, right? You are going to use the where clause. In where clause, what you have to do? First condition is what? First name should start with vowel. So, which means you have to use the sub str. Okay, first name. And here, what substring, what it takes? It takes three parameters. One is column name, second is starting position and ending position. Ending position equals to. So whenever you are going to do equals to, okay, which means it is going to take only single parameter. If you wanted to verify, okay, multiple values, then what you have to do? In operator you have to use. In operator, just you can write it up like this. Okay, A, comma, E. Okay, these are the characters, right, which you are checking. Nothing but ovals you are checking, whether it is part of that or not. So here you can check it out like this. Okay, first condition, what you have done? You have checked substring first name starts with oval or not, you are checked. Okay, this is the first condition. And okay, so the query which they have asked, which way? It should starts with and ends with. It's, they never say or, which means you have to meet two conditions. Again, here you are going to use the logical operator, and again here you are going to use sub-str, and then you are going to go with the last name, and then what you have to do? Here you have to get the last character from the last name, which means ends with, which means if you do -1, automatically you are going to get what? You are going to get the last name. So before going to show you, right, first we'll show you this particular condition. Okay, how it is going to return from the data. First name, how it is going to return, so that you will understand much more clear about it. So how it look like? So here you can see, sorry, I should end with here. Just you can see here. Okay, what it is coming? First character of first name. At the same time, if I wanted to do it, same thing, I can copy paste it, and then I can change this. Okay, the condition I have to change it here, and I have to do it -1. What it does? Okay, when it comes to -1, it starts with right side, and it is going to present. To make it much more clear, I am going to print even last name as well. Last name. Here also, I am going to print first name. Then you will understand much more clear. So if I can print these two, then you will understand. Here you can see first name. Okay, first name, first character is Alexander. A is coming. Bruce. Ismail. I is coming. Same similar thing. It is coming. And when it comes to here, okay, when you see here, right, this one, which is coming as D. Okay, which is coming as D. This is coming as a T. Like last character is coming. So your problem is nothing but you are able to extract first character and last character. But here one catch is available. So if you see, right, the first name, first character is coming in a capital case. At the same time, here in last name, you can see here last character is coming as a lowercase. So even in first name also, if you see lowercase, what we have to do? We have to make it case sensitive. We have to make it as a one case. Either it can be uppercase or lowercase. So what you can do? You can apply upper case. So here also you can apply uppercase. Upper function, first it executes, and then on top of it you are going to perform the substring. Here also you can use simply AEIOU. Simple, very simple. So whenever any problem will come, right, whenever SQL problem will come, so using existing functions, you can do this way. You can see, right, starts with what? Oval, ends with oval. Starts with oval, ends with oval. All these particular IDs, particular names, okay, it starts with oval and ends with oval. This is the way you have to approach this. There is another way. How you can do that? Another way is, in a simpler way. This is substring way, and there is a existing function is there that is called regular expression regex p like. Okay, this is the function which we have in the Oracle. Okay, using that, what you can do simply, okay, simply first you can concatenate this. Okay, so first approach is simply you can do like this. Okay, same approach, select star from table, select star from table. Okay, once you have done this, okay, then what you can do, first step is what? You can concat, concat of what? First name, comma, last name, comma, last name. Then on top of it, okay, you can make it as upper. It's not required here. Just I'll show you how you can easily. Okay, once you concatenate it, okay, okay, first let's concatenate this. I'll show you after concatenation how you can go with the where clause. Okay, I'll show you just to make it how concatenate works. Just I'm showing here. So this is the way concatenate works. Next thing is what you have to do. Same thing, you can make it as a star here. So now in where clause, what you can do? Where, okay, this is the where clause. If you wanted to evaluate anything, you are going to use this particular thing. So you are going to use it. Okay, regular expression like regex like. Okay, this is the function which takes as a regular expressions. And what you have to do, simply you have to do, okay, this is the symbol, you have to use it. Okay, where is this symbol? Okay, this is the symbol you have to use it. That is the which indicates in regular expression, okay, it starts with. Okay, now next is AEIOU or AEIOU. Okay, AEIOU. So what it represents, right? So whenever you are using regular expression, it starts with, it can be capital case or lower case, which I'm giving here. So, and after that you can mention as dot. Dot means, okay, after starting with, okay, AEIOU, dot means it's nothing but a star. Okay, at the same time you have to use it, same thing here. Again, AEIOU this way, and then copy paste. And dollar means here we have to mention as a dollar. Dollar means it represents in regular expression as a end character. So now we have to close this, right? Once we have closed this, then automatically what is going to happen? Let's see how the output will come. Just give me one sec. Something is missing actually. Sorry, I have missed a star actually. Because of that, I'm getting that. I have to use star here. Okay. Now you can see, right? See, after dot, right? After dot means after dot, you have to use the star. Star represents, it's nothing but a in between, it can have anything, but starts with this particular characters, A or E or I or O or U, anything. At the same time, ends with this vowels. Okay, this is the way you have to solve this particular question. That's it, guys. Thank you. Okay, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends as well, whoever looking for the SQL questions as well as SQL material, SQL classes, and which is available in SQL playlist, and couple of already interview questions which is posted in the interview questions. Please share, like, and subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.